Let's solve this step by step. What is 1/6 raised to the third power? When we see a fraction raised to a power, in this case 1/6 cubed, it means we multiply that fraction by itself that many times. So 1/6 cubed means we multiply 1/6 by itself 3 times. Let's write that out. Let's visualize this multiplication. When we start with 1/6, we're dividing by 6 once. When we multiply by 1/6 again, we're dividing by 6 a second time. And finally, when we multiply by 1/6 a third time, we're dividing by 6 yet again. Let's solve this step by step. In the numerator, we multiply 1 times 1 times 1, which gives us 1. In the denominator, we multiply 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. Therefore, 1/6 cubed equals 1 over 216. You can verify this with a calculator by dividing 1 by 216, or by dividing 1 by 6 3 times.